PHUN stock analysis and PHUN stock prediction. Is it a buy? I've been in the markets for 4 years. I've spent 5 figures on courses, mentors, documented everything, and I also done 35,000 videos on my YouTube channel to see what's worked for me and what's not. You don't have to do none of it. From my particular lens, and I mean how I'm observing firmware, it's like not the most bullish thing, like it's not the most positive experience, let's say, because I saw the price expanding up here. And with that in mind, now it's in a bearish range. It started melting. This is like the pullback rule that we got. And generally speaking, it's only going to be bullish if we start breaking, or if the ticker starts breaking above 788 for me. Doesn't it mean that you can now start long here? I mean, you can do whatever you want. My subjective opinion is that, and because like last video I made was like a white background, this is why it looks kind of cursed. But like I mentioned, if I see a double break, I'm taking things low, and since then it's been melting. So I don't need to change a thing. You know, the only thing that I'm going to do right now is keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.